Hello everyone. First I want to remind everybody the Tech ratchet wrench set 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19 goes up for a giveaway when I hit 500 subs. We are over 100. I'd like to thank everybody for joining, for being part of the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching. So we are talking about the electrical today. This is the Maddox new MT201 kit. I will be posting links to everything in the description. My plugs here are from Amazon. They are a nice little set. The ends come off. Comes with some attachments. You got your gator clips. Then you got your other little attachments over here. These are little wire pokers. You push it out and they'll just poke through the coating of the wire enough where you can get a little testing, or you can hook on a pin somewhere. I do use this kit quite often. But that is her standard voltage meter. 1.5 to 24 volts. It does ohm reading, so on. We have our standard probe testing in the industry. Then we got the advanced probe testing one here. This test is for hot or grounds. We have some of our attachments here. This is actually part of the Maddox kit. Really nice little set. I don't understand what these two wires are for the Maddox kit. Maddox. You can't hook them too much. That's what I don't understand. The only thing you can actually hook them to are these little probe testing ones, which I took one out. And where'd she go? I'm just not sure what Harbor Freight was thinking with these wires. They both have male ends on both sides, so there is no female end. And you need a female end to hook into it. Here's my custom made real long jumper wire. You can hook the probe to this, and you can hook it to another one of these, I guess for probing it down. That's an awful short wire for that case. You cannot hook it to the gator clips that comes with theirs. This is the little attachment for the gator clip. You can't hook it to that. And I'm not too sure why they have this here. And to me, this here is it's screwed up, because it should have one of them on the other side, and does not. If anybody knows for sure why they have it like that, let me know in a comment. But to me, it's just screwed up. But I have a bunch of jumpers here. There you go. This is from Harbor Freight. I got a bunch more jumpers. I did not bring them all out by any means. There's just too many of them. Respect electrical by any means, but you don't have to be scared of it. I love these little gator clips here. They'll hook right in. They're an awesome thing. But Harbor Freight has some question to do, some answers for this one. I just don't know why they did this with this wire. To me, it makes no sense to have a double male. As I said before, okay, great, we can hook that to that. But what are we supposed to hook to the other end? I mean, one of these? You can't hook it. You can hook it in a machine. But that lead's a little shorter than my normal leads. And now, okay, like this, I have it in my machine. But I cannot hook my lead back into it. Just, it don't go. Because it's double male. I honestly think one should be male and one should be female. I will, like I said, contact Harbor Freight on this kit, see what they say. They might have to do some adjustment with this kit. But as I said before, respect electrical, don't be scared of it. Electrical is time consuming, it takes patience. It's not something that you're just gonna, touch it and 5 minutes later be done with it. Not unless you're really lucky. But if you're a person who works on cars, you're gonna be doing electrical. That's for sure. But I figured I'd just show you some electrical tools. I don't have a power probe. Not that I have anything against them personally, but power probe can, and I don't mean itself can, but you can cause damage with a power probe. Power probe puts out 12 volts or ground. Certain parts of the car don't take 12 volts. Some parts only take 5. Some parts only take 3. So if you're pushing 12 volts into a sensor that only takes 5 volts, 3 volts, you're going to fry that sensor. And some parts of the computer you could possibly damage. And the computers just a little, ECMs are just a little expensive to be doing that to. If you're going to use a power probe, be cautious. They're expensive. They are, and that's another reason why I don't have them. At $150, $179, I'm not going to buy something I can do without. I can make my own power probe system and put a voltage regulator switch on it that will allow me to control the voltages I put into it at all times. And I wish they had that. I wish they would have the system where you can automatically adjust it. Now, they do have the adapter that you can hook to it that'll drop it from the 12 volts down to 5. But remember what I just said, some only take 3 volts. Now, is 2 volts enough to the point where it may fry that sensor? I don't know. But that goes to my line, I don't want to be the first asshole to find out. But that's why I say always respect electrical work. I don't care if it's AC, I don't care if it's DC. Respect it. I do electrical in homes, I do complete installs. And when I'm training somebody, I tell them respect it. You can be scared of it a little bit because a little bit of fear gives you respect. But always respect it. Even in an automotive situation where it's only 12 volts. Old school mechanics will tell you that the coil pack will knock you on your ass. And that's the way you gotta look at it. But thank you for watching. I thought I'd just show you some of my stuff here. Again, I will contact Harbor Freight on this. I believe this was a misunderstanding when they created this kit. Double mails does not work. And I'm not too sure why they even have it. But it literally says that it comes with 12 extension leads, 2-piece meter lead extension. Well, the 2-piece would be the double males. And you cannot, again, use a double male. You need a male and a female. Even on my kit that comes apart, you can't run double male. It makes no logical sense why or how 2 males can plug into both ends. Because if this machine itself had a male plug-in, the only way you can connect a male is with a female. So it takes a male and a female to mate, as we know. And I don't give a shit what this whole new generation says. It takes a male and a female to mate. But yeah, there we go. I'll post links to everything down there in my description. Have a great day. I know I just carried on a little bit with this whole don't understand that part. Later, folks.